ngasi ningthokapa numit August ki tarik 31 ing 2010 numit asida akhoi yamba Sri Thangjam Arun Kumar ki website launch tawgi thoram sinjabani hariba website launch tawgi thoram asida akhoi youth ki oina Malem Gitrom youth committee ki joint secretary amadi Abhishek Brahmachari Mayum organizing secretary amadi election committee ki president oibiriba Limanu Panjarabata Lansila Diamond amadi bagi yamba intending candidate oibiriba yamba Thangjam Arun Kumar susam gabiri website asi bagi yamba Thangjam Arun Kumar ki head kokina bagi yamba Dr. Thangjam Nabachandra child specialist na launch to bigani akhoi na ngasi hariba website asi launch to bagi maramdi hojik akhoi ki worldly oina kamna own ba malaiba habidi youth singna maruina youth singna social media ti han active oidana haiba bagi election di khangde ama thaba ama to matanda website sige chuki mati kana ba lai hai kana gumna bagi website se sangiraga tamo Arun Kumar ge maramda khangbi mu myam do loina khangbi bangam gani aduga ikoi ga samna basu yagani ikoi da contact hobi su yagani ikoi phone number telegram myam loina ma hai website se tamjare aduna sige website asi launch or mutunga bagi wangi kendra amadi atopa kendra amadi ikoi states le bi mu myam na support hobi duna haiba tamo Arun Kumar Thangjambu lakadoriba ikoi election singda mai pak namna ba hona ba support tawna ba hona ba to ki mutik kai maru oi han kunja ba ki website se launch so jaga boni na ikoi jik website launch so gi thoram to mayam ki lebiri ba ki mayam ma ki organizing secretary joint secretary president mayam lebiri si mama da launch so jarage mayam launch so gi thoram si combination ki pak uncle bu box jari